Salesforce. Salesforce is the world's top customer relationship management CRM cloud-based platform. It is helpful in marketing, sales, commerce, service, and the IT team works as one from anywhere. The customers will be satisfied and happy everywhere. Salesforce works to bring companies and customers together. Let us take a view of some of the courses of Salesforce offered by KapilGuru before we discuss further.
A course by Mr. Ranga Rao is available on the KapilGuru platform.
Mr. Rama Rao is an expert trainer having 12 years of experience. The course will long for 35 days and will be conducted on weekdays. A fee of 38,000 rupees is fixed for the course. The classes will be conducted on weekdays. Career Bridge IT offers a course for 45 days on weekdays and weekends. The fee allotted is 20,000 rupees for the course. Another course is offered by Mult World. The institution is having 10 years experience. The classes will be conducted on weekdays. The course will have a duration of 40 days and the fee is 20,000 rupees. Salesforce keeps the marketing, sales, commerce, service, and IT team united and in touch from anywhere. All the employees will be connected to one platform and they can be monitored and focused on from anywhere. It's a platform that keeps the customer engaged with relevant empathetic digital marketing from anywhere. It can help grow business faster from anywhere and sell the product smarter. You can launch and scale quickly e-commerce, apps, built around your customer from everywhere. Salesforce allows you to provide great customer service from anywhere. Hence you can provide great customer service and go digital fast and empower your teams to work from anywhere with the help of Salesforce. According to a source, over 150,000 companies including big and small are using Salesforce to grow their business. The technology leads the companies to streamline, grow and expand their businesses systematically and smoothly. Salesforce has gained popularity throughout the globe because of its unique and useful characteristics. Because of the wonderful technology, people can create better jobs, lives, companies, and communities. 5 major activities are involved in staffing a Salesforce. They need to be divided into related steps. The first step involves the planning for the recruiting and selection process. Usually, the concerned responsibilities will be allotted to top sales executives, field sales managers, or human resource managers. Secondly, the recruiting phase includes identifying sources of recruits that are consistent with the type of person desired, selecting the source to be used, and contacting the recruits. Thirdly, make sure that the most qualified applicants should be selected. The fourth activity is to hire the people selected in a useful manner. The fifth activity is to integrate the new hires into the company. Kapil Towers, ISB Road. Financial District, Nanakremita. Telangana, India.